In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Microsoft Forms. Customizing your forms is a great way to better engage respondents, improve the overall aesthetic of your surveys, quizzes, and feedback forms, and ensure that everything aligns with your branding needs. Let's dive right in and explore how you can make the most out of Microsoft Forms. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft Forms. Once you've found it, go ahead and sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. It's important to be logged in so you can access all your saved forms and make any necessary changes. After signing in, locate and open the form you wish to customize. This sets the foundation for all the customizations you'll be making, allowing you the flexibility to alter the form's appearance as you see fit. Next, let's talk about themes. You'll notice a theme pane that offers a variety of options to alter the look and feel of your form. When it comes to suggested themes, you'll find a gallery of pre-designed themes. These offer a quick and simple way to enhance the overall look of your form without needing to start from scratch. Select a theme that best suits your purpose, whether for a formal survey or a fun, casual quiz. If you prefer a more straightforward approach, you can apply a solid color as the theme. Simply click on the Colors tab and pick a color that reflects the tone or mood you'd like to convey with your form. For more personalized customization, you can upload your own background image. Click on the plus icon or the Upload button, where you'll have options to search for images on Bing, select from your OneDrive, or opt for an image stored on your device. This is a fantastic way to incorporate specific imagery or branding into your form. Speaking of branding, if you have a precise color scheme in mind, you can enter specific hex color values in the custom theme editor. This feature lets you match your form's colors exactly to your organization's branding guidelines. Aside from themes and colors, don't forget about customization options in the Settings menu. Click the Settings button, which is often depicted by 3 dots, to adjust who can fill out the form, set the response start and end dates, or toggle the option for response receipts. For a more tailored experience, consider using branching logic to guide respondents through varied paths based on their answers. This allows for a personalized response format that can enhance the user experience significantly. Finally, before sending out your form, use the preview option to see exactly how it will appear to those filling it out. This is a crucial step to ensure everything looks and functions as you intend. So there you have it, an easy-to-understand guide to customizing Microsoft Forms. With these steps, you'll be well equipped to create professional, visually appealing forms that suit your specific needs. Thanks for tuning in, and happy customizing.